Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this new AI tool that I discovered called Leonardo AI. Now, Leonardo AI, as I am on their official website here, is another AI art and image generator. As it says, unleash your creativity with the power of Leonardo AI. Create production quality visual assets for your projects with unprecedented quality, speed, and style consistency. I will leave a link to this website and everything else I mentioned in the description or comments below. If you do want more information on Leonardo AI, they have a pretty in-depth FAQ section, and you can learn almost anything you want to know here. So guys, all you need to use this is a free account. So if you're on the site and you're following along, you click create an account, click yes, I'm whitelisted, and then it will take you to this option here. So I'm going to go ahead and do AI Insider Tips as my username. For interests, I'm going to do advertising, marketing. I can confirm that I'm 18 or older, and I'm going to click next. And then it's going to ask for your role. I'm just going to say I'm an enthusiast and click start using Leonardo. So then it'll give you some welcome messages. Click next, click next, click next, and then click done. And then you'll see more welcome messages. I'm just going to X out of this. But here is the main interface for Leonardo AI. Now, it appears to be a freemium business model, and what I mean by that is you'll see I have some tokens here that it looks like I only get 150 tokens to start unless I want to pay. So if I click that, you'll see Leonardo AI has some subscription plans here. So it starts at $10 per month on the annual plan. If you pay month to month, it's $12 per month. And you'll see all the differences versus the free plan. So you get up to 150 generations per day on the free plan, which is pretty incredible in my opinion. But with the apprentice plan and all of these other paid plans, look at all these, you get 8,500, you get 4,250 background removals, daily free tokens, and just various other features that you obviously wouldn't get using the free model. But guys, this does have an awesome free plan. So I'm going to click back to Leonardo AI. And right away, what I notice is that there are all these featured models up top. You can look at recent creations that the community has created. Look at some of these cool images, guys. This reminds me a lot of MidJourney per se, as there's going to be more of these tools that come and go. So for the purposes of this example, I'm going to click this option here called AI image generation on the left. And they're all sorts of tutorials and welcome messages that you guys can use. I'm just going to skip through these and click done. I'm going to click X on here, and it says, this is your first AI image generation. Please type a prompt above to create your first image set. So in this example, I'm just going to say, please create me images on Bitcoin. And we'll see what this can come up with here. As you'll see, it did take away, I did have 150 tokens here. You'll notice it did take away 20 of those tokens as I did prompt the AI image generation. So it's going to take some time here. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead while this process is completing. All right. And as you'll see here, it did create me 4 images related to Bitcoin. Now guys, I could go in here and I could change, the model. So that's one thing I kind of skipped over at the beginning, is that I am on what's called the Dream Shaper model. So you'll notice down here, all my images, relating to Bitcoin, we're using what's called this Dream Shaper model. So one thing I also want to do is you can see there's also different types of images. There's dynamic, anime, creative, and various other things here. So I'm going to create a new one actually, guys, and let's see what happens. I'm going to leave the same exact prompt, but let's try a new fine-tuned model. I'm going to go ahead and do, let's see here. Let's do absolute reality, and I'm going to change dynamic, and let's go ahead and do photography and see what happens here. So once I have these, I'm going to leave the exact same prompt. I'm going to click generate. You'll see it took away 20 coins again. And then again, I'm going to skip ahead while this process is running in the background and then come back once these images are generated. All right, guys, as you'll see, I did get 4 images here on Bitcoin, and they are a little different than the ones that I had down here. Again, this really depends on 3 things: the prompt that you ask it, the type of model here, and then also the different type of image you want it to produce: anime, photography, dynamic, etc. But that's it, guys. that is a very, very quick version and tutorial on Leonardo AI, which is a cool new AI art image generator that I recently discovered. You'll see down here you can also have dimensions you can change and various other settings on the left here. Photoreal is a beta mode feature, but all sorts of cool things that you can do with this tool. But that's it, guys. Again, appreciate you watching this quick video on Leonardo AI. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Hope this quick video helped you out. Guys, I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future.